Good morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson number 14, Community Services. Children, have you ever observed your school? There is a principal, vice principal, headmistress, and teachers, along with the office staff. And we all work together to provide you the facilities and education. In the same way, we need lots of people to look after our needs. Since India is a big country, so it is not possible for one government to look after the needs of all the villagers, town members, and cities in the country. Our country is first divided into states and then hundreds of villages. So, there are three levels of government in India. Children, the three levels of government in India, let us study one by one. The first one is central government, then comes the state government, and then local self government. Let us study about the central government first. Central government is based in Delhi, since you all know that New Delhi is our capital. It looks after important matters of our country such as defense, finance, and railways. Now, children, let us study about state government. Children, in India there are 28 states, and all 28 states have its own government. Each state in India has its own government. The state governments are responsible for maintaining law and order, transport, and health services in their states, and it comes under central government. Local self government. Local self government at the rural level is the Gram Panchayat. The members of the Gram Panchayat are elected by the people of the village for the term of 5 years. There are three names of the head of the Gram Panchayat. He can be called as Sarpanch or Pradhan or head is chosen by the people. And who can choose the people of Gram Panchayat? Anyone, any man or woman of the village who is 18 years or above 18. The number of members of Gram Panchayat depends on the size of population of that village, and it can vary from 7 to 17 members. Children, do you know the government has reserved a few seats for women, for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Gram Panchayat? Let us study the functions of Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat performs many important functions. The members of Panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problems of the village and also find out the ways to solve them. So, they sit together, they discuss the problem, and they solve the problem also. The Gram Panchayat is responsible for maintaining cleanliness of the village, planting trees, digging wells, lighting of the streets, providing clean drinking water to the villagers, setting up the primary health centers, the first aid centers, or the hospitals, construction of buildings, streets, roads. These all are functions of Gram Panchayat. Supplying seeds and fertilizers to farmers, providing them knowledge about the latest technology in farming is the main function of Gram Panchayat nowadays. Setting up primary schools for children, establishing adult education centers, settling the disputes among villagers. They try to settle all the disputes among the villagers in the panchayat only. See, children, it is a village site and people are working together for the construction. Here, people are discussing their problems, they are solving it, and here, people are teaching the villagers so that they can handle farming in a better manner and they can solve all their problems regarding the farming. I hope, children, you have understood what are the functions of Gram Panchayat. Let us revise and see this video.
Introduction. Pari lives in city with her parents. She is going to village in summer vacations where her grandparents live. This is the first time she is visiting an Indian village. On her way from the railway station to her grandparents' house, she finds a group of 5 elderly people sitting under a banyan tree. They are listening to some men standing in front of them. She is curious to know what is happening. Her father tells her that the elderly men are members of the Gram Panchayat and are solving some problem of the villagers. In this lesson, you will learn about the working of Gram Panchayat. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the structure of a Gram Panchayat, list the functions of a Gram Panchayat. What is Gram Panchayat? We all know that the governments in the states and union territories maintain law and order in their cities and look after the needs of their city dwellers. The question that comes to our mind is who is responsible for keeping law and order in villages and meeting the requirements of villagers? The answer is the village local government, which is known as village panchayat or Gram Panchayat, performs both the functions. Let us now understand the structure of the Gram Panchayats in detail. Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat is the local government of a village. It is formed by members elected by the villagers in the Gram Panchayat elections. These elections are held every year. Anybody who is 18 years of age and above can cast a vote in the elections. Members of Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat consists of 5 members. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the village Pradhan or the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch of a Gram Panchayat can be a male or a female. The members of a Gram Panchayat hold meetings to solve the problems of the villagers. The Panchayat solves land, water and other disputes among villagers. Let us learn more about the other duties of a Gram Panchayat. Functions of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the cleanliness of the village. It also takes care of the water supply to the village. It serves to maintain roads, streets, and proper lighting in the village. It makes arrangements for the education of children and adults of the village. Functions of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat provides facilities for maintaining public health and hygiene and organizes health programs for its people. It also maintains law and order in the village. For performing all these functions, the Gram Panchayat receives funds from the state government.
I hope, children, you have understood the functions of central government, state government, and Gram Panchayat. It's all for today, children. Thank you for watching this video.